Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix WhatsApp notification not showing on your Android mobile. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all check if your internet is working properly or not. So to check this, open a browser and from here check your internet connection. So if your internet is working properly but you are still facing the problem, then press and hold on your WhatsApp icon and then click on this information icon on the top left corner, and after that scroll down and go to the storage of WhatsApp, and from here click on clear cache. So when you click on clear cache, it will delete the cache memory of WhatsApp, but it will not delete any data of your WhatsApp. So now after that, I hope it will fix your problem, but if you are still facing the problem, then here click on permissions, and from here check if you have the permission option in not allowed section, then click on notifications, and from here turn on allow notifications. So after turning on allow notifications, you will start receiving notifications of WhatsApp. So I hope it will fix your problem. Thanks for watching.